Hola beauties, and welcome back to another try on haul. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. And if it is your first time here, welcome to the channel that is all about all things beauty. That's your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. Occasionally you get a little lifestyle. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. In today's try on haul, I am trying on several jumpsuits. Y'all already know that midi dresses are my favorite, and y'all know that I love a jumper. Jumpsuits are easy breezy outfits. You don't have to overthink it. You don't have to put so much effort into it. I mean, because you already have one whole piece of clothing and all you have to do is accessorize. I mean, that's super easy, and that's what I love about it. So I'm bringing to you several jumpsuits that I found on Fashion Nova. I had spring in mind, but you know, it kind of, that went elsewhere. So these are just jumpsuits. We'll call this jumpsuits are my favorite. Anyway, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell and share. So now that we have all that out of the way, let's just get right into the video. Up first, I have a really cute capri jumpsuit. I mean, it can be for the spring, it can be for the summer, whatever you want it to be. It's the classic black, strapless, as you can see, and
real hot girl.
Cute. I absolutely love it. This is the back. This is a size large. It's very stretchy. I like it. There isn't really much to say about it. I mean, it's self-explanatory. It's a really simple, cute jumper. You could dress this jumpsuit up. You could dress it down, as you see here. I'm just trying it on, so I have it paired with a cute pair of sandals. You could do so much with this. You can pair it with heels, you can pair it with sandals, you can pair it with a pair of cute, really cute sneakers. I mean, it's really up to you and how you want to rock it. All right, y'all. Now, this next jumper is really cute. I absolutely love it. But let me just tell you something. The way it came is not how it looks now. I was actually planning to wear this for an event, so I had tried it on when it came in. It was extremely long, so I had it cut, hem. This is the way I was gonna wear it, but of course I was gonna wear it with heels. I'm just trying it on, showing it to you, and you will see it on the gram. Make sure you're following me right here at Curvy Girl Style Guide. That's my fashion page, and at Enhanced_Beauty. That's my business page. Now, back to this. Really cute jumpsuit. Let me let you see.
Hey, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay?
As you can see, it is extremely long, but I did have it cut in hem. And if I have on heels, it still hits right onto the floor, perfectly onto the floor. But, I mean, let me let you see the back. This is the back. No, I'm gonna have to cut this tag out because I don't want that to be seen. And now, y'all, let me tell you something. The way it comes, these strings here, they tie up. That's what's holding the jumper up. You can slide this down, you can slide this up. And because I wanted it kind of up a little bit, I chose to put this really cute bralette under here. I got this from Rainbow. I put this under here because, like I said, this is exactly how I was planning to wear it. I finally got it tied exactly the way that I wanted it. That is a task, y'all. It is very, very tedious. I'm telling you. When you're trying to tie this and make sure the length is right onto the floor. Now, I could wear this with flats, just like this. It's kind of long and it drags a little bit, but it doesn't look bad. But I prefer, well, it just depends on where I'm wearing it to. I want to put heels on with it, or I can wear it like this. This is a size medium because it runs kind of big. Very stretchy, really cute. I absolutely love this, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm not sure of the color of this jumper, but it's in the purple family. I don't really know, but the way this jumper is, the length of this jumper, that is how the last jumper came that I was just telling you about. Extremely long. But y'all, I love this. Now, I think this was supposed to go off the shoulder or one shoulder on, one shoulder off. I don't know, but you can wear it however you want if you get it. And it comes with this tie belt here. It has the belt loops, really cute. But look at this, look at this. It is extremely extremely long. And even if I get on my tiptoes, like I will have to get this one cut and hemmed as well. But I love it, y'all. It fits really good. Very, very stretchy. Now, this is the only problem. I know y'all can see that the arms are moving up. I just kind of took my bra strap and tucked them in on the side, but it's just steady moving up. So, as you can see, you can wear it like this, where it's kind of off one shoulder, on the other one. I like it off, but it's not going to stay. The sleeves are long, but if I choose to make it a jumper for the summer, I think I'll just have these sleeves cut as well. But I don't know. I may just leave it like this. It's really cute. I love it. Let me pull these straps in because this thing is not staying off my shoulder. But even if you wear it like this, y'all, it's still cute. It is a cute jumper. Either way you wear it, whether you make it off the shoulder, one shoulder on, one shoulder off, like this, whatever you choose to do with it, it's just cute. I love it. And I'm not sure about the size. I think this is a large. Not sure. It's either large or medium. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but every jumper that I'm trying on today is from Fashion Nova. Yes, I know. I love Fashion Nova. Now, y'all know I love animal print. And this jumper here is really, really cute. It caught my eye. I love everything about it.
I'm trying to win. Don't care how I do it, just know that I did it. Why you so worried about what I be doing? Counting my...
Y'all, I love this jumper. Skinny leg. Very, very stretchy. It comes off the shoulder and y'all, it stays off the shoulder. This is what I love. I don't have to keep like tugging at it like I did the last jumper. This one, it is off the shoulder. Now, it is long sleeve. They kind of puffy like here, and they're supposed to come tight around here, but they're not like that. This jumper is a size large. Now let me show you something. This tie belt, it does come like this. You see that? It's hooked to the jumper. It is no way I can just tie this to the back and wear this jumper like this. Like, I don't like that. So what I did was I took it. It's not gonna be neat right now, but I crisscrossed it in the back. Now, if you're actually wearing it, you will make sure that those flaps stay flat so that it can be nice and neat in the back, and then just tie it in the front. That's it. I love this. I love the way it fit. I love the way it look. Serving all of the body.
Yo, cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs. Nah. I'm a pop star, not a...
And now we have come to the last look of the day. Last but never least, this is a bonus piece. Now, it is not a jumper. It wasn't a midi dress, but I did order this, and this was just the perfect try-on haul to put it with. It is actually a maxi dress. This really pretty magenta maxi dress. I just had to share it. Now, it has a split in the back. But y'all, I love it. It's sweater material. Look at these bell sleeves. It comes off the shoulder. Another one, you don't have to keep tugging at it because it's naturally off the shoulder. And I just took my bra straps and kind of tucked them down. But yo, she is cute. I love this one. The color, I mean, it just screams spring. And with the cool weather that we've been experiencing, you actually can wear this now. But other than that, I'm gonna have to tuck her away in the closet and save her for God's will the next season. Oh, and this dress is a size medium because it's very, very stretchy, and I was able to size down. So I got a medium, but. Okay, now that will do it for today's try-on haul. I want to thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will catch each of you in the next video. Adios. Oh, stay poppin', beauties.
You know you ain't fixing